Hi everyone, this is Matt Gentry with Rapido Trains Inc., and I'm the project manager for the GP38 project. In this quick video, we have the first decorated samples for the Santa Fe units, which were actually designated as a GP38U by the Santa Fe. The detail specifics on these units represent their appearance after being overhauled and renumbered in the mid-80s. This includes the rooftop-mounted air conditioner, rotary beacon, and some units having the class lights blanked out. These Santa Fe units also have the modified truck side frames, which specifically includes the removal of the outboard brake hardware. The sound features on this model include a 645 prime mover and our normal horn and bell. These units are full of lighting effects. These include lit number boards, front and rear lit walkway lights, lit class lights if your specific road number includes them, ground effect lights above the front trucks, and the lit control stand when the prime mover is turned on with F8. The Santa Fe units also have our fantastic 4 LED beacon giving the effect of the rotary beacon on the prototype, and of course, both front and rear headlights. The order deadline for the GP38 project is June 15th. These and many other samples will be on display next at our Canadian dealer open house, which is Monday, June the 5th. Thanks for watching, and make sure to get your orders placed before the June 15th order deadline.
Lunatics!